So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Bam, boom. All right, look at the size difference. Wow, there we go, baby. Now that's a watch. 44mm, boom. Identical. We got twins. There we go. Locked in there. Bam, all right. Oh yeah, I got the little pull tab right here. Saying on the covering up the magnet. I guess to keep the magnet nice and beautiful. Boom. 44mm. Check it out. Oh wow, that's a nice size. Definitely a bigger, more heftier watch. There's definitely more weight to it. All right, let's go ahead and set it up. Let's whip out the naked. You know what I mean? We gotta get the golden swag out here. You know what I mean? Whip out the naked iPhone. You know what I mean? We got now. Okay, one of the biggest difference between this one and this one that's really to be thought about and considered is the price. The price points between these two, it's a big difference. You know what I'm saying? After throwing on Apple Care and all of the taxes and so forth, this one right here, yeah, like, so this is extremely expensive. And the only reason I was willing to go that far with it, go to the top of the MOOC with it, was because of the gold offering. But when I get it, all right, I'm gonna give it 1,000. I don't know if this gold is for me. I'm not like wow right off bat with the gold right here, because I like yellow gold, and this is not yellow gold. This is, I guess you call it rose gold or whatever. I'm gonna sit with it for a little bit. I'm gonna see what it do, see if it grows on me. But typically, if you don't have that first wow or that first vibe, you already know what that probably means. But that doesn't mean that the gold won't work for you. I highly recommend you just go into the Apple Store, check it out, maybe throw it on your wrist, you know what I mean? And really get the view of this gold in person. It's not the gold that I thought it would be. I like the size of the bigger screen. Like, man, everything is like that much easier to read. But it's not like on the 40mm, it's not like you can't see. I was able to see everything just fine with the 40mm. And the reason why is because of the display. Man, I cannot stress to you how good the display is on these Apple Watches. Like, it is great. It is amazing, you guys. Like, I'm looking at it, it's so sharp. It's so tactile sharp. I love my beloved Galaxy Watch. I'm gonna be going head to head. And now, see, now here with the 44mm, you get a real comparison right there. Now you can see, so for those of you that are coming from like a Gear S3 or a Galaxy Watch and you're looking at the Apple Watch, the 44mm is gonna be the most comparable one size-wise, as you can see right there. But we're not getting into the verses right now. That's for another video. But I will have some things to talk about. We're gonna talk about it. Yeah, the screen is huge. Super clear, super crisp, super nice. I'm just not a fan of the gold. I can honestly say that. Like, I want more of a yellow gold with it. I want that yellow gold swag. For the price tag that this bad boy is, top of the MOOC, I think I need that different shade gold for me to be like 100% sold on it. So I'm not 100% sure that I am going to keep the stainless steel gold with the stainless steel band. I do like the size difference. Now, it's not like extreme. Actually, it is a nice difference. Like, if you, here, let's do this. Boom, there you go. I highly recommend you go check it out. If you love this gold, this is a beast. This is the top of the MOOC one. And if you're trying to go for the top of the top and you're trying to stunt and swag out, this will do it. Now, I do like the bigger screen for the 44mm, but I also love the 40mm size. So it's a hard, tough toss up. I highly recommend you go in, try on both, and see which one of those could possibly be the better size for you. I like the lighter weight of the aluminum. The aluminum's lighter. And I like that, especially with this band. Oh man, that combo right here. This combo right here is like, whoo, undefeated. It's like having a watch without feeling like you're wearing a watch, and that trumps a lot for me. So that's why this stainless steel is kind of a tough sell for me right now, because I have married this aluminum. Now I want to try the aluminum in a 44mm, and then I will ultimately be able to make my decision. So I don't know where I'm going with this right now. So I'm about to get up out of here. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech. I need to play around with this. I need to get a vibe, I need to get a feel. Maybe wear this bad boy for a day, I don't know, and see where I really stand with this. I'm gonna share all of my experience. You know, next up is gonna have to be this duo battle. You know what I mean? This versus this. But I want to live with the Apple Watch a little longer, and I want to play with all of its capabilities, because I know Tizen very well, but I need to get to know the Apple Watch get down. Now, I can tell you from now, I'm liking it. I got into a little bit, and I haven't even got deep into this bad boy, but I'm liking it. I won't go any further, you know what I mean? Say that for the exclusive. Versus video coming up. I'm out. Peace. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech. Not really much sneakers and anything creative. Smash that sub button, smash that like button. I'm out.